Welcome to part one, Grow Your Business. This two-part series will provide a workflow for you to kickstart your business in Bright. From practice to action, we're going to learn how to use the tools that Bright MLS offers to grow your business. Because when you focus on your business daily, you'll be able to watch it grow. First, you want to add to your network. Social media is a great way for you to add to your network. If you go to LinkedIn, look for at least one connection. And when you send an invitation, make sure you send a quick note along with it. Why do you want to connect? Did you read an article they just posted? They're more inclined to accept an invitation from somebody they don't know with a quick note of saying either how you found them or why you'd like to connect. Similarly, on Facebook, you can send friend requests. Again, you want to look for mutual connections. You can use the same tactic as LinkedIn, but there's a few things to remember. If you're not friends with somebody on Facebook, it actually goes to a different inbox than a normal friend message would. So they might not see it. You'd have to either tag them in a post and let them know that you tried to send them a message or something like that so that they know you're trying to communicate with them. You can also join Facebook groups to find new connections. So if you're not sure what groups to join, think about your brand and your niche, and you want to think about your ideal client and what groups they might be in. So if you're a dog lover, for example, maybe that's part of your brand because you help people find the best backyard for their tiny furry friends. So join some dog groups and start connecting with people virtually there. And maybe LinkedIn and Facebook aren't places that you live virtually. That's absolutely okay. Wherever you spend time online, make sure you're connecting with others there. And don't forget to connect with other agents. Expanding your referral network is huge. It's always a good idea in case they have clients moving to the area or you have clients moving out of the area. Next up is checking industry news. This is supposed to be just a quick review to keep you informed of what's going on. Check the Bright homepage for any office and association news. You can always put those upcoming meetings and events into your calendar. On Bright, you want to check the latest release notes, the system updates to make sure that you're up to date with any system changes. Make sure you're checking out the in-minute articles. You want to see any videos and trainings that are coming up later. You can always bookmark those to review them at a later time, but it's good to know at least the headlines and skimming over of what's going on in the industry. Hone your Bragbook. You might be asking, what's a Bragbook? Essentially, it's a portfolio. So it's a place where you can keep your testimonials, ranking reports, training certificates that document your professional achievements. So you want to make sure you're adding those things to your Bragbook so you can easily reference them later. You can pull the listing stats by checking listing hit counters and relay that information to your sellers, calculated on a nightly basis. So you can see how many clients have viewed your listing. You can see how many agents have published your listing to their concierge clients. And then, of course, check out reverse prospecting. So this allows you to view the prospecting agent or broker's information that has your listing on an auto emails. And last but not least is personal and professional development. Check out the CE credit classes that are coming up. Check with NAR, check with your association and your broker. Make sure that you're always adding to your business in order to help your business grow. So utilizing these tips will start growing your business today. And remember, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it so that we can get more content to you like this. We'd love for you to get the latest updates from our team, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a video.